Let's unbox the MF6 humidifier. Take out all items from the box and remove all protective packaging. The humidifier includes an integrated no-mist humidifier unit, an evaporative filter, an electrolysis and water pump module, and a water tank. When reinstalling all components, make sure every connector is properly aligned and securely fitted. There are two ways to add water. You can fill the water tank directly or pour water in from the top of the unit. Power the unit using the included adapter. Power on the unit using the control panel, then use the mode button to select your desired mode. Use the timer button to set a timer for up to 12 hours. Use the dual button control to activate a 30-minute electrolysis cycle. After pressing power off, the unit runs a 60-minute filter drying cycle. Press again to fully turn it off. Download and open the Smart Life app. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, connect via 2.4G Wi-Fi, and you're ready to control the device remotely.